How to add link without underline in Wix. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix editor page, you're going to select the text that you would like to add the link to. So you're going to tap on the text box, then select edit text. And let's say for example, I would like to add the link right here. Then we'll tap on the link icon and choose the page or section that we like to redirect persons to. Then tap on done. And you can see that an underline has been added. Now to remove this underline, you're going to select the text that you have added the link to. Then you're going to go over to the section that says underline from the pop-up box. And you're going to remove it, as you can see right there. Now if we were to select preview in the top right hand corner, you can see that it does not have a line underneath it. And if we were to select it, it still redirects us to the page that we have linked it to. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.